Beatlemania dominated the 1960s, captivating audiences with their infectious melodies and signature hairstyles. The Beatles' influence on both music and culture was unparalleled, leaving a lasting legacy. Alongside this musical revolution, the hippie movement surged in the 60s, advocating for peace, love, and communal living. Their vibrant lifestyle and values not only challenged societal norms but also inspired future generations to embrace inclusivity. The iconic Woodstock Festival of 1969 epitomized the era's spirit, drawing over 400,000 attendees for a historic celebration of music and unity. This landmark event highlighted the ideals central to the hippie culture, showcasing a community bound by a shared vision. Moreover, the civil rights movement unfolded as a critical backdrop to Woodstock, with leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. championing racial equality during this transformative period. Their efforts inspired many and fundamentally shaped America's journey toward justice. Simultaneously, the space race defined the 1960s, marked by fierce rivalry between the USA and the USSR in their quest for space exploration. This competition culminated in the momentous Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969, captivating audiences worldwide. In this context, Vietnam War protests emerged as another significant movement, mirroring the era's dissent against government policies. Demonstrators united in a powerful call for peace and justice, reflecting a growing conviction among the populace. The 1969 moratorium to end the Vietnam War became one of the largest protests in history, attracting over 500,000 participants in Washington, D.C. This monumental event solidified the anti-war movement's resolve and amplified its message. Psychedelic music played a pivotal role in these protests, with bands like The Doors and Jefferson Airplane igniting an electrifying atmosphere. This genre resonated deeply with the anti-war sentiments of the time, amplifying the collective cry for change. Moreover, the concept of flower power emerged as a symbol of nonviolent resistance, advocating for peace and love instead of conflict. This ideology encouraged individuals to seek harmony with nature rather than exploit it, promoting a compassionate worldview. Distinctly, Tupperware parties transcended mere sales events. They nurtured friendships and fostered community bonds. Hostesses emerged as passionate advocates for their practical, colorful products, enriching the social fabric of their neighborhoods. Similarly, soda fountains became social hubs where patrons delighted in fizzy drinks and sweet treats. The lively ambience and retro decor transported visitors to a nostalgic era, creating memorable dining experiences. Drive-in diners also transformed fast food culture with their unique car-hop service. These establishments seamlessly blended quick service with an engaging dining experience, making them a staple of 60s lifestyle. The assassination of JFK shocked the nation, igniting a collective yearning for answers and marking a pivotal moment in American history. This tragedy became etched in the memory of many, symbolizing a profound turning point. The Beatles' appearance on The Ed Sullivan Show in 1964 created a cultural phenomenon that captivated millions, reshaping the music landscape and leaving an enduring imprint that continues to resonate today. Miniskirts emerged as a revolutionary fashion trend of the 1960s, symbolizing rebellion and freedom while challenging traditional norms regarding women's attire and self-expression. Additionally, Barbie transcended her role as merely a toy. She became a cultural icon with a rich narrative, inspiring creativity through her varied roles and stylish accessories. Surf culture also flourished as a defining lifestyle, seamlessly blending music, fashion, and a carefree attitude that resonated powerfully with the youth of the 60s. Finally, the Howdy Doody show enchanted children with its colorful characters and humor, leaving a lasting legacy for a generation in search of entertainment and joy.